Hello, and welcome to RVnGO's user-friendly website. My name is Killian, the Video Content Marketing Manager here at RVnGO, and today we're walking through how to send an inquiry to a host. Once you signed in, head to the top of the page and click the Search tab. The next page features various options you can use to filter out the exact needs and specifications you have for your inventory rental. At the top, you'll see listing name, location, start and end date, and the pickup distance. There are even more options on the left side of the screen, such as unit length, the type of inventory, its price range, what it accommodates, any add-on features the RV can possess, and finally, whether or not the RV is available for delivery and if the host is an RVRD member. At any point during your filtering, just hit the Update Search buttons to confirm your preferences. I don't know why, but this second RV here is calling to me, so I'm going to click on it to see its details. Immediately, you'll see the gallery of photos for the inventory, and below that will be a list of information including the rental fees, additional fees and deposits, and a description of the listed inventory. Going back up to the top, you'll see your name and phone number. You'll be required to fill out the number of passengers for the trip. After that, look over your total, and if everything is good, click Send Inquiry. Your inquiry is sent, and all you have to do now is wait for the host to respond. And that's it. You've successfully sent an inquiry. And if you have any further questions regarding the RVnGO website, feel free to reach out through our email, support@rvngo.com, or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.